I'm Carl from Bear Creek Woodworking, and welcome back to my shop. Today I'd like to talk to you about this job site radio made by DeWalt. It runs on 110 AC, runs on 60 volt batteries, and runs on 20 volt batteries. So I'd like to show you the features of this job site radio by DeWalt. It has a nice LED display. It shows the station, it shows the volume, and so forth. It's really nice. You have 5 presets, and there's the modes right over here, which changes from AM to FM. Then you got your mute, just hit that and shuts it down. You got an equalizer set up, which is really nice. I like my music a little bit more on the bass side, so I can set up my bass there. You can also set up your treble. And the clock right here, that's how you set up your clock. So it's really nice. The Bluetooth is right here when you want to connect it to your phone. Since this radio does have Bluetooth, you can connect it with your phone. And you push that button when you want to set it up or when you want to listen. For the Bluetooth, you can also go through the mode feature also. So you have Bluetooth, AM, FM, auxiliary, so forth. So that's the music, the radio part. A couple nice speakers in front, really nice. Has this little compartment down here. You open up, nice place to store wires and so forth. But inside you have a USB. You have a USB port and also an auxiliary port. So if you want to hook this up to some type of other musical device, you can. On the left side of the radio, there's really nothing. There's some moldings here for some electric outputs, but they're not usable. On this side, you can plug in 2 110 devices. Like I said before, this does run on 110 AC, or it runs off of the 60 volt batteries, or off the 20 volt batteries. If you want to use the batteries, they're right in back. There we go. Turn it around. You play your radio now. You relive those glory days. Play your radio off of the batteries. You plug it in. This radio also has a charger on it also, so now we're actually charging our 60 volt battery, or you can charge your 20 volt battery. It sounds really good. The quality of the music is really good. Look up there, the podcast. This is the Woodshop Life podcast, episode 25.
To make a jig for one side of that, and then make a jig for the other side of it. Yeah. And then I can keep my hands a good distance away from the spinning bits. So.
Using toggle clamps?
Using that, or just, blocks glued to the thing, whatever. Just so your hands aren't, they're a good 6 to 8 inches minimum away from the spinning bit, if you've got the bit riding up that high.
Yep.
But yeah, you just got to use good common sense. The common sense is the best safety tool in your shop.
So another small but nice feature that I like about this radio are the handles. It has a great handle up top to pick it up. It's got 2 handles on this side if you want to pick up here. It's got 2 handles on the other side to pick it up, or any combination thereof, which makes it a really nice way to carry this around. Also, one other feature I'd like to just say is on the back, it has a really nice place to wrap your cord. So when you're running on battery and you want the cord out of the way, or whether you just want to throw it in your truck, move around, the cord wraps up really nice, it's out of the way, very neat. Well, in conclusion, I'm really glad that I bought this DeWalt job site radio. It works really well, has nice sound to it. I like the equalizer to it. I like the fact it runs off of 110 AC or 60 volts or 20 volt DeWalt batteries. It's just really nice to have music on your job site if you're working on the field or in your shop. So down in the description will be a link to this job site radio, to the batteries, to the charger and so forth. So you can set yourself right up in the links below. Hope that's helpful for you. I really do like it. So that's all for today. So until next time, have a great day.